Welcome to PataMarket Insert Product tutorial. Click on the left hand menu and click on Insert Products. You can click the one on sale. You have to make sure you have Pata coins available. Or you can either click on the menu on the right hand side. As you can see, for every upload is worth 1 Pata coin. So let's begin. Here you fill in the item's details, such as the product's name. The product name is a long name which people will see on the product page, and the product item tags is what describes your product. So you can give its name, its characteristics, and fill in the details. Once you fill in the full details, we can proceed to categories. In the categories page, you click on the section, you choose the preferred one, and you can choose the category as well as the subcategory. You click the brand. If there's none available, click on NA. You choose the Kenya in which the item is placed. If it's from abroad, you can click the if yes checkbox. Otherwise, you can click on product size is not available. You choose the color of the product, and then let's go to step 3. In step 3, you include the original price, which will be shown on the marketplace, on the product page as well. If there are any discounts available, you write the amount on the discount, and the overall amount will be shown on the selling price. You choose the currency, and then step 4. You choose the type of stock it is, if it's a downloadable document, digital art, digital code, irrespective. You choose the number of stock. It is mandatory for you to choose the product's condition, if it's new, used, or refurbished. In step 5, if you want to auction the item, you can do it directly from here. On show in auction, it will be taken directly to the auction place, or you can hide it. Secondly, on the bids, you can accept the bids. You can pause the bid. This is a starting bid. This is what the customers will start with to bid. And then you can choose the start date and the end date. And lastly, step 6. If you do have a product video link, all you have to do is copy it, paste the link in step A, and then you have to click on the images. We have to do a minimum of 3 images. And what you can do once you select the images is you can move them around and see how they will come around, in which order. So once you're done with that, you can click on save product. This will bring you to the success page, where you can check all your product details to make sure they're suitable for what you're selling. And if it's not, you can click on either edit the product, which will take you back, or you can publish it. And once you publish it, you'll take 1 coin. And then what you can do about the product, you can share it directly on Facebook, X, WhatsApp, or other places. To view the product, you can click on auctions and you can see the product, or you can go to the home page and see how the product will actually look. As you can see, the name is there. Since we are the owners of the account, we're not allowed to bid for the item. So as you can see, the item has all the details, and if you include a video, the video will be shown. Thank you.